Good morning, sir. I am Princess Chara Lumbog and I will be discussing the carbon cycle process. Carbon cycle. Carbon is an element that is vital to most living organisms on Earth. It is also a key component of our atmosphere. Carbon has the ability to cycle through our Earth, the ocean, living factors, abiotic factors in the air. The carbon recycles among five major locations. These items include the atmosphere, the terrestrial biosphere or land, the Earth's interior, the ocean, and the human influence. Let's take a look at what happens at each of these areas. Carbon is found in the atmosphere in at least two forms, carbon dioxide and methane. This atmospheric carbon can be absorbed by autotrophs like plants and plankton to be used for photosynthesis. It can also be absorbed by bodies of water in the ocean. When carbon is absorbed by the ocean, it reacts with the water and creates carbonic acid. The terrestrial biosphere, which is another term for the Earth's land, has several paths of carbon that it can take. First, there is an exchange between plants and animals. The plants absorb carbon in the form of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, and animals release carbon dioxide during cellular respiration. Also, heterotrophs eat plants that contain carbon. Animals also release carbon as methane during digestion, and the soil contains decomposers that release carbon into the atmosphere and the soil. Carbon is also stored in the Earth's interior. Carbon in the lithosphere includes fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, along with deposits like limestone and volcanoes, may release some of this carbon stored in the lithosphere when they erupt. Up next, the ocean. The ocean has the greatest exchange quantity of cycled carbon and stores a large amount of carbon. The ocean absorbs carbon in the form of carbon dioxide. The ocean also has a large amount of plankton that absorbs carbon dioxide that it uses for photosynthesis. Humans also influence the movement of carbon. Humans burn fossil fuel which releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Also, the production of clinker, which is used for cement from limestone, also releases carbon. In addition, deforestation from humans can cause the amount of carbon in the atmosphere to increase. So there you go, an overview of the path of an atom of the carbon that may take place during the carbon cycle. Thanks for listening.